is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA weather radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, stations automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The station you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Bexar County Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Kennedy Harrington, 6 years old, black, female. The missing child was last seen at 7:47 a.m. on June 12, 2024 at 13,100 block of Beale Circle, San Antonio, Texas. Police are looking for Deandra Harrington, 36 years old, black, male, in connection with the abduction of the child. The suspect has a tattoo of the letter P on wedding finger and a tattoo of the letter J on left leg. The suspect is believed to be driving a dark gray Chevrolet Impala or Chevrolet Malibu bearing an unknown Texas license plate. The suspect was last seen in San Antonio, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Bexar County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-6000. News media point of contact is Bexar County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-6000. Your weather